Jai Sri Gurudev. Myself, Ajay, I am working as a maths teacher in BJS English School, Agluruki, Chikbalapur. Dear students, everyone is fine. In the previous classes, we discussed about area of the triangle. Yes. So, in this class, we should be discussing about Heron's formula applicable for the area of the triangle. Yes. So, what is the Heron's formula? Where we should be used the Heron's formula? So, in this class, we should be discussing about it. Okay. So, for that is now if base and height of a triangle B and H are units. Okay. So, in triangle ABC, base is B and the height will becomes is H units. Okay. Then to take this area of the triangle is of base into height square units. Okay. By taking the short form is of BH square units. Okay. So we know that this formula in the earlier classes. Yes. After that lower class onwards up to 8th class also we learned about this formula to find area of the triangle. Okay. But if they given as a only sides of the triangle, then how we should find the area of the triangle? So for that is Heron is a Greek mathematician. He found that is to find the area of the triangle with the sides of the triangle. Okay. So let it be that the sides of the triangle be A, B, C units. Okay. So A, B, C are the constant numbers. Then to find its area, we have to be find that is this formula, that is under root S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Means is A plus B plus C means is a perimeter of the triangle. No, it means is sum of the length of the all the sides can be called as a perimeter. No, means is that half of the perimeter we should be calculate as a S. Okay, so first we have to find the value of S by using the ABC. Afterwards, we should be substituting the formula. Dear students, we should be applying the Heron's formula for this triangle. Yes, in this triangle, what is given that is the sides of a triangle ABC are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. Then we have to find its area. Dear student, once you have to see that is here, he given as a 3, 4, 5 are the sides of the triangle. It is not a base and height of the triangle. Yes. So in the earlier classes, means in the 6th, 7th, 8th is we know that is only base and height. Yes. But in this problem, he given as a 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters are the sides of the triangle. Yes. Now we have to be find that is area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula. Yes. Then let the sides of the triangle ABC are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. I am considering as a value will becomes 3 centimeters, B value will becomes 4 centimeters, C value will becomes 5 centimeters. Okay, sir, where do you want to be considered as a ABC? Is that a 3, 4, 5 only? I will be considered as a 4, 5, 3. Okay, whatever it is, as you wish. Okay, but all the numbers, it means the 3 sides must have to be taken as a ABC is a differently. Yes. So then after this first in the Heron's formula, we have to be find that is value of S. Yes. So therefore that S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Yes. So A value 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 will become 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 by 2 is equals to 6. Okay. S value how much you got it? 6 centimeters. Now according to Heron's formula, that is under root S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So in that is S value will become 6. That is 6 of 6 minus A value is 3 into S value 6 minus B value is 4 into S value 6 minus C value is 5. So then 6 as is 6 minus 3 is 3 and 6 minus 4 is 2 and 6 minus 5 is 1. By product of these all numbers you are getting as 36. Under root 36 will become 6. Means is area of the triangle ABC is how much you are getting, that is 6 centimeters square. Okay. Dear students, understood now? Dear children, we should take one more example based on the Heron's formula, but it is one more is an application problem. Yes, by using a Heron's formula, how we should find that is altitude of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so for that is I am taking as one of the example, the side of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeters. Okay, then you have to find its area using Heron's formula. Yes, and also find its altitude. You have to be find it. Okay, so for that is what is given, that is only one side of the equal triangle only is given. Means is equal triangle means all the sides are equal, no. So that's why it is given as a only one side in the solution. So that is A, B, C means all the sides are equal, no. So that's why will become is A value, B value, C value completely values is a 6 centimeters. Then to find its area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula, first we have to be find the value of S. So that's why S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 6 plus 6 plus 6 by 2 is equals to 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 by 2 is equals to 9 centimeter. Yes. Then S value we should be applying the Heron's formula. That is S of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is S value 9 of 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6. Then 9 as you said, 9 minus 6 will become 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. So I am considered as the 3 is a 9. 9 into 9 into 3. It means is a square root of 9 into 9 is that I am taking as a 9 is a without root, then into root 3. It means is a 9 root 3 centimeter square. It means is this is a area of an equilateral triangle. It means that this is a first problem is completed. Then we have to be find its altitude. Yes, to find the altitude, we want to be knows that basic formula of the triangle. Yes, what is that is? We know that is area of the triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. So we are taking the result half into base into height means is here is that we know that is base and height. Height will become is altitude. Yes, we have to be find the altitude of an equilateral triangle now. So that's why I am taking as a altitude is a h. Okay, so therefore area of the triangle ABC is 9 root 3 centimeter square. We got it now here is. So that's why area of the triangle is 9 root 3 is equals to half into base. Base will become is BC will becomes a base now. So that is a 6 centimeters into altitude. Altitude means the h. Yes, that is as is that altitude. Then 9 root 3 is equals to 2 1s are 2 3s are. Yes, 3 we are getting into altitude. Then 3 should be sent to the left hand side. That is 9 root 3 by 3 is equals to altitude. Means the 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then how much we are getting, that is 3 root 3. It means is altitude of an equal triangle ABC is 3 root 3 centimeters. Yes, dear students, is understood now this concept is. So by doing this so many examples, you can be perfectly in that is what we are giving the homework must you have to be completed within the time and you have to be sent through WhatsApp to me. If you are having any doubt, please contact to me. Yes, and also we know that is a nowadays is it situation will becomes is too difficult to go outside is must you have to be follow the COVID-19 instructions what they are giving by the government. Use sanitizer and mask while going outside and talking with your friends. Use social distance. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.